welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to use these important shortcuts in Blender. All those shortcuts are very important for you if you want to use them. So first things first, I'm in object mode as shown here. The first shortcut is Alt G. I'm selecting this cube, default cube. So let's move it, for example, to this place like this. Select the cube. Alt G is gonna be resetting the cube to the previous location that you have set it to. Second shortcut is Alt O. This shortcut is to clear origin on children. We have also how to clear rotation. For example, I rotated this cube, so to clear rotation you need the shortcut Alt R. Is gonna be clearing rotation and set it to the first position. How to reset scale. Let's scale this cube, so Alt S is gonna be resetting the scale, but you should make sure that you are in object mode to apply the shortcut. We have also the shortcut Ctrl A. It's gonna be showing the apply menu to apply scale as shown here. So let's see the shortcut that helping to join selected objects. So let's add much more objects to the scene. Maybe sphere, let's grab it over there. For example, Shift A, I'm gonna be adding, for example, a cone like this. Grab it over there. So select all the objects, then hit the Ctrl G. This is gonna be joining all the objects shown in scene. Tap edit mode. You can edit all these objects at the same time, like this. Also, we have another shortcut which is for making links menu. Shift A, not Shift A, Control L. It's gonna be showing a link transfer data menu like this. Also, we have the shortcut Control Tab if you want to move in between object mode, weight paint mode, and toggle any mode you want. So Shift Tab, Control Tab. It's gonna be showing this interactive pie menu. If you want to change in between texture paint, vertex paint, object mode, scaled mode, edit mode, and weight paint, it's interactive rate menu for fast workflow. We have also in object mode another shortcut. You can use it by hitting M. Is gonna be showing this pop-up menu if you want to move your object to a new collection or create a new collection for that. The shortcut Shift G allowing you to select a grouped menu. As shown here, Shift G is gonna be showing this menu for selecting grouped like this, children, and whatever you want. Also, we have Shift L. What can this shortcut do? Shift L is gonna be showing the select linked. As shown here, we have shortcut Shift L shown here. As you know, the shortcut A is gonna be selecting everything. Hit A, it's gonna be selecting everything in the scene. We have also Alt D shortcut, which is for linked duplicate instances. I have talked about it in previous tutorials. If you want to create instances without affecting the speed of your device, so Alt D and move it like this, gonna be creating instance like this. Also, the shortcut H is gonna be hiding, and Alt H to unhide all. So to unhide, Alt H is gonna be unhiding all. If you want to hide your objects in the scene, you hit H key. We have the O key, so just hit the O key. It's gonna be turning on the proportional editor shown here, and hitting O key again is gonna be to turn off this feature. Shortcut Alt P. Go into clear parent and control clear parent and inverse clear and keep transformation. When hitting B is gonna be showing border select if you want. C is for circle select as shown here.